Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you my press-on nail application process featuring JOFAY fashion. So I am in love with these nails, guys. As you can see, they come with the perfect length and this sheer pink and this beautiful design. And I was so surprised at how well they fit my cuticle. So today I'm just going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how I apply them to make sure they last for at least 2 weeks, because your girl's not new to this. I've been doing this for years. With press-ons, you make sure your press-ons last long because you do the proper application. So I like to size all the nails before I apply them. It just makes it easier and a faster process. So here I am just carefully measuring out each of them. With many press-on brands, you have to file them to match, but for some reason these fit perfectly. I only had to file like 1 or 2. I was so surprised at how well they fit your cuticle. It's like they put technology in them to fit comfortably. It's something about the way it's like the silicone thickness of it. It just fits your nail. And yes, they are very thick, by the way. They make you feel like you're wearing acrylics. I love these nails so much. So I was just carefully making sure that each nail fits sidewall to sidewall. That's a #1 tip to make sure they last. The second tip is to use a high quality glue and dot a bit of it into the nail, just a generous amount. Then it is very important to cover your nail in a very thin layer of glue. This will make sure your nails last for 2 weeks. This is like the secret hack of press-ons lasting. So as you can see, I did that, and then you just carefully apply the nail. This hand, for some reason, is not my dominant hand, so they're not going to be as perfect as my other hand. I'm left-handed, so using my right hand didn't really make them perfect, but they still look good. Something in the technology of the nail, it just looks so professional, and I'm super shocked because I got this off Amazon, which I'll link down below. But you can get these nails, they're like $10, and it looks like you got a $100 manicure. So yeah, I definitely recommend these. Next, I moved on to my right hand. As you can see, I was in love with the left, but with my right hand, it was a bit challenging because I already had the nails on, but because I am left-handed, I made it work. Just love that. So I put a bit of a more of a generous amount on this hand, just because I knew that I got a few air bubbles on the left. So yeah, just a little bit more glue in the nail helps, and then making sure you cover your entire nail bed with a light layer will help with preventing air bubbles. And then you just carefully, slowly apply that. As you can see, perfect. It filled all the air bubbles, and you just hold it there for 10 seconds, and you know it's gonna last you for 2 weeks. It's just the best. next, I decided to add in some Sally Hansen cuticle oil just because I thought it would be a really nice touch. And yes, y'all, it makes them look even more like they came from the salon. Here's how they came out. I think they're perfect for the spring and summertime. It is almost May right now. Perfect season, the perfect length. I love this coffin shape. It makes my nails look skinny. Definitely recommend if you're looking for that look as well. Comment below what y'all think, and I'll see you guys in my next video.